Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, Where America Goes for Funding. I appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the channel. Call or text Angelo 832 431 6331. It's Where America Goes for Funding, your nationwide direct commercial, residential, private lender. Hope everyone's doing well out there and you guys can hear me okay on the channel. Should be good audio on there. So appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching. We do our weekly show where you can tune in, ask questions about real estate, funding, credit, the whole 9 yards. And we have our podcast, and then Angelo Christian Financial, and then our website, Official Angelo Christian. You can check us out on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, all that stuff. So don't be a stranger. Reach out if we can answer any of your real estate funding questions. We're here to be your lending source, your guide to help you to get funding. We do everything from commercial, residential, private lending, lines of credit, no doc loans, hard money, FHA, VA, construction loans, land loans, all of that stuff. So whatever we can do to help you to get it done, please reach out. We have various things that we're going to talk about tonight on the channel. And then if you have any questions, feel free to hit us up for any questions, comments, or anything that you want to discuss. So tonight we're going to be talking about hard money lending, fix and flip bridge loans. Kevin, what's up, buddy? Good evening, man. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if the audio is okay, if you guys can hear us okay out there. We're going to be talking about our new FHA zero down home buyer grant program with 100% financing. We're going to be talking about VA cash out loans down to a 500 credit score if you're a veteran. You can do cash out refinance, and you can do it on a multifamily, single family down to a 500 credit score, and you can do up to 100% of the value of the property. So if you have a property that's worth $1 million and you're doing a cash out refinance, you can do up to 100% financing down to a 500 credit score if you're a veteran and you own a property. And if we want, we can talk about that loan first. So remember, we lend nationwide for veterans. If you're a veteran that served in the military, you have a VA loan on your house right now. That's the mortgage that you have. You live in the property, whether it's single family, multifamily, and you own that property and you have equity in your home. You can take the cash out of the property with us up to 100% of the value of the home. So if the property is worth $1 million and you owe 500, you can pull 500,000 of cash out for whatever reason, whether you want to pay off debt, invest, buy another rental property, whatever you want to do. You don't have to pull out 100% of the property value, but you can. So it's an awesome product. You get low 30-year fixed mortgage rates. Hey Uber, does it need to be a first-time buyer? No. Uber Dash is asking, do you have to be a first-time buyer to qualify for the ground-up construction loan? The answer is no. Actually, if you're a veteran, you can do veteran um, zero down ground-up construction loan or FHA with 3.5% down ground-up construction. You do not have to be a first-time buyer. So also, guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, like that bell, enable notifications, share this with any friends, family, whatever you can. That would really help me. Um, can a vet be 1099 and get a ground up construction? So for a veteran, uh, sorry, I was doing a little neck stretch. Uh, um, so for the veteran, you have to have 2 years of, if you're 1099, 2 years of self-employment for a 1099 for a VA loan. Now we have other loans, self-employed loans, where you could do 1 year of 1099. So I don't know if that answers your question, but going back to the VA cash out. So yeah, if you're a veteran and you own your home, we can go down to a 500 credit score for a VA cash out loan. So, and you can go up to, there's no loan limit we can go up to. You can go multifamily, single family. The key is you really can't have any late payments in the last 12 months. No mortgage late payments in the last 12 months. You have to be able to verify your income for the last 2 years. Your debt to income ratio has to be below 60%. You have to be eligible, obviously, for a VA loan, which you would because the current mortgage that you have is a VA mortgage. And if that's your situation, um, then you'd be eligible for a VA loan to get pre-approved. So, and you can pay off debt. You could. I'll give you an example. At a lot of times, what we do is, let's say somebody has their current house payment is 3,000 a month, and they're paying $2,000 a month for credit card bills and car payments, and then they have $1,000 a month for student loans and other bills. So their total bills are $6,000 a month. What you can do with a debt consolidation loan is you can pay off everything. You can pay off the mortgage, you can pay off the credit cards, you can pay off the car loans, the student loans, and go from a $6,000 a month payment down to 3,000, and literally cut your bills in half. So that's the power of a cash out debt consolidation loan, is you can reduce your monthly debt. I mean, really as much as 90%, and then you can pay off your house and go from 30 years down to 7 years. So it really can make a lot of sense if if you're in a situation where you need to pay off debt, you need cash, or you're trying to retire earlier and pay off your house faster. So there's a lot of merit to a debt consolidation loan. I highly recommend um, looking into that to get that if you're in that type of situation where you need help. Is there any veterans that are watching the channel? Just let us know if there's any veterans down there. You can just say yes in the chat box, or if you guys have any questions, or maybe you're somebody that needs to get cash out. Reach out to us. We do FHA cash outs, conventional cash outs, no doc cash outs. So definitely don't be a stranger if we can do something for you to help you. 832-431-6331. That's a really, really good loan program if you're a veteran. And there's no mortgage insurance, there's no location restrictions, there's no income restrictions. We can close as fast as 3 weeks. You don't have to put any money down. You can get up to 2 months, no house payments. Yeah, let us know if we can help you. If you're a veteran that needs to get help with cash out refinancing, or maybe you know a veteran, maybe they need help and they don't know where to go. Maybe their current lender denied them and they're trying to figure it out. We'd love to help and jump in. Another really good program that I like a lot for veterans is the VA one-time closed construction loan. So the VA one-time closed construction loan is for veterans as well. And with us, you can buy your land and build your home with zero down, 100% financing, and up to $1.5 million. So if you're a veteran and you want to buy your house and build your home, you can do this with 100% financing. Buy the land, you don't have to put any money down, get the construction loan and the permanent loan all rolled into one, and get a 30-year fixed mortgage. And get all your closing costs included, and you don't have to make any interest payments during construction with the one-time closed loan. Now, you do have to have at least a 640 or higher credit score. It has to be for your primary residence. The house cannot have more than 10 acres, and then it's full documentation. So you have to verify your income, full documentation, either taxes or W-2s or pay stubs, and then no bankruptcies or foreclosures on your record in the last 3 years. So pretty straightforward qualifications. So, and if you meet those, then you can buy your land and build your home, a single family house. And you can use one of our builders in our network, or you can use your own builder. Uber Dash, does a cosigner need good credit for a HELOC or equity? Yes. HELOCs are going to need a 720 or higher credit score. Equity loan, you can go down to, you know, 500, but a HELOC, lines of credit, you have to have good credit scores. So, and remember, if you're doing a HELOC, whoever is going to be signed on the loan has to live in the property. So they can't be a non-occupant cosigner. So they have to actually live in the house. That's a good question. There are other type of loans where they don't have to live in the home to be a cosigner, but on the HELOC they definitely do. HELOCs have a lot more restrictions. I mean, obviously, HELOC is going to be preferred. It's a better loan. They just have a lot more restrictions and requirements, and rightfully so. I mean, you have a revolving line of credit. It's very powerful. So, but it's a great loan. So, um, if you we offer HELOCs, we offer HELOCs on all different properties, primary residence, investment properties, secondary homes. We also have no documentation HELOCs. You can use a bank statement to get the line of credit. You don't need tax returns or W-2s. We do a lot of those for people that have a primary residence or a rental property. Yes, Uber Dash, no payment during ground up construction. That's right. So you get 1 year no payments during construction. You do have to have at least 3 months reserves. 3 months reserves for a ground up construction minimum. I preferred 6 months reserves. Preferred. So, but it can be something really exciting. You get to pick your floor plans. You get to pick your house. You get to pick your builder. Design it. Your kitchen, your bathrooms, cabinets. If you're a chef or a grill guy, you get to design your pool, kitchen. We're doing a lot of ground up construction right now for people. So it's a really fun, exciting thing to do. So definitely reach out to us. Don't be a stranger. If we can help you, call or text our office. We do a lot of ground up construction loans. even no doc ground up construction here in Houston. So, yeah, I appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the show and the channel. Over how many borrowers? You can have up to 4 borrowers on a ground up construction loan, and it can be a combination of 1099 and W-2 income. That's fine. So yeah. Good questions. Uber Dash, you always got a lot of good questions, man. So yeah, if you guys need help, definitely reach out to us, call us, text us, whatever we can do for you to help you. You know, don't be a stranger. 832-431-6331. If we can help with any type of funding, you know, definitely reach out. Yeah, you can use SSI income too. That's fine. That's not a problem. So, well, yeah, I appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the channel. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like that bell, enable notifications, reach out to us, call or text us, 832-431-6331 if we can help you guys. Whatever we can do. Thank you guys so much for watching the channel tonight. Take care. Peace out. Have a great weekend. If we can help you, reach out to us. We're here for you. Take care. Later. Bye bye.